говорят, за гърба говорят, по мой адрес говорят, но всички те могат да го духат, да го духат.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Thank you for watching. We're actually taking our Titan into the shop for frame and paint. Finally got our parts with a pandemic going on. They took forever to bring the parts. So we got this brand new. We got a new shell. This is gonna come apart. All the emblems are saved, except this one got crushed a little bit, but we're gonna get a new one later or whatever. We're gonna disassemble this. The new shell for the tailgate, OEM quality from the dealer, and a skin for the bedside is already at the shop. We're gonna go take that Nissan right there, put it on the trailer, and take it to the shop. Follow along.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Right guys, we're at the shop. Just got here. We're gonna go ahead and unhook this thing. I wanted to show you guys that I didn't take apart the bumper. It's still on here because it's got smashed right there and it's kind of holding up to the metal part, so they would have to actually pull it right here in order to get the bumper off. There's a couple of bolts that are stuck inside, and so we're gonna have to do that on the frame. Also, there's a sensor right here that's for parking, I guess. Goes right in there. I guess we can unplug this right now. This is parking sensor that we need for the cameras, and also we just brought it here to the shop. We're gonna drop it off right there, and hopefully we can get this done quick here. The parts are here, the skin and the tailgate shell, it's all here. Gonna go ahead and unload this thing and get it on the frame, guys.
The next day.
Right guys, it's another day. Mista Big's mansion, and the Nissan Titan Project Titanic 2.0 Big Brother is at the shop. I just dropped it off yesterday. They're gonna start on it soon. We might skip a couple videos while they work on it, do like frame and paint and all that. We take it to the shop. I have a shop that I take it to, and it's kind of hard to film over there because I don't really know exactly when they start. So if they do it like early morning, I don't have time to go film, so I miss a lot of those little details, how they take it off, put it back together, paint it, primer it, bondo it, whatever. All those details are kind of missing all the time, but we'll try to get as much as we can. Once our project is complete, we'll be able to kind of have everything put away, and then we'll be able to go to the shop at the place where we fix them at and be able to film them. Today is another subject that I wanted to talk about real quick and show you guys. Basically, I guess I'll do a reveal. It'll be a reveal of some one way it's a reveal, one way you guys probably knew that I was actually building a garage. Oh, this thing's about to go down. So we were building a garage basically at our house for hobbies and for our YouTube channel. It's not a commercial garage, it's not a business, it's not, you know, a mall, it's not a Walmart, it's nothing like that. It's not an Ingles superstore. It's a garage at home that a person is building, that because we have what, you know, 6, 7 that are cars that are personal and our hobby, and so we have to put them somewhere. So we're gonna have to have a lift, or 1 or 2 or 3, to work on cars and to store them. I want to be able to store my, you know, Hellcat over there in the garage, so it doesn't sit on the sun for, you know, all summer long. So we'll go ahead and show you guys in a minute. My biggest supporter right here. What you got on? Let's see the shirt. Come on. See, makes the big signature right there, shirt. You guys can pick them up. For now, you can just message me and I'll send them to you. If you do a shout out, I'll send it for free. But in the hats, we have camel, we have snapbacks, the trucker hats or whatever. And hey, where'd you go?
Here.
And we can send them out. We'll have a website up pretty soon. You'll be able to order that stuff. You're working on your car today, which you've been doing for a while now.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss it.
So this car is gonna go away. Noah's about to sell it. He wants to sell, make a couple dollars profit, and also, you know, do an upgrade, right? Man, look at the rain. Dude,
it's like hail.
I know, that's heavy duty rain. It's legit, dude. Look at that. Bam. Bam, son. Woo. All of a sudden, it's like 90 degrees outside and now it's raining bad. Woo! Nice. Okay guys, we're back. The rain is gone. 16,000 mile Accord right there. So now I wanted to show you guys the progress of our build. This is basically a garage reveal build. We have all the concrete blocks. Yes, it does look like a war zone. Yes, it does look like, oh, there's a neighbor right there. Love you, neighbor. It does look like you know, commercial site blocks, but they're actually going onto our retaining wall, which is, there's our tow truck, which is basically right there. It's the wall right there. There's Ivan right there in his little den. That's a 3 high. The wall is going to be 3 high blocks, and for reason being, we're putting up the retaining wall is because all the soil kept on moving down, and it would be a lot of work for excavation for these guys to do an excavate it down, like straighten it out, and basically it's a lot of work. So we decided to put on a wall, and then all that soil is gonna go over that, over the wall behind it, and we're gonna basically cover this. This is already straightened out. All this is gonna be straight. There's gonna be grass. Ivan and Alex are here to pet. If you guys, anybody's watching it that's local, come over and pet them, take pictures. They're just two goats, or one of our many pets that we have. There are a couple of our many pets that we have, dogs, cats, whatever you wish. And then the retaining wall goes here, right there. As you can see, we already dug it out because that goes right there where the house is at. There's a big stream right there, and after like a big rain, every time it rains for like 3 hours or whatever a day, 2 days later the water is still coming out of the stream. So we're gonna put a drainage system there and put a retaining wall over all the way in the back, and then straighten this out and plant some grass, bring some topsoil, and finish it all nice. And we're gonna have a nice driveway all the way behind the shed right there. The driveway is about 200 feet. It's gonna be asphalt, cleaned up, nice, and goes right behind there. And this is for our garage, or for our hobby cars, for working inside, so that way we don't have to work on the outside no more. It's been a long project in the making, but we're finally getting to it. And so this is the site. This is our place right here where we're gonna put the garage. It's gonna be a 30 by 50, nice 3-bay garage, just for us to have a lift in there, and we'll be able to work on our cars. And my son will be able to detail cars inside, because he does detailing for profit. Since he's out of school now, he's gonna be able to work and make a little money on the side detailing cars. So that's our little project right there. So basically, you can call it a dream garage. Dream garage, dream what are they called, dream barn or whatever. It's gonna be a metal building, nothing fancy, nothing big, nothing too expensive, just a normal garage that we'll be able to do our work in. It's gonna go from this way to here. Everything's done. All they have to do is just straighten it out and pour the concrete, do a rough plumbing for it, and then we're gonna call the people to come install the garage, which is gonna be a little bit because everything is kind of slowed down right now, construction and all the because of the COVID, everything's behind, all the materials are expensive and all. So these blocks are used for that wall. So as you can see, it's nice and stacked. But now, and then this is the road, additional parking right there, just kind of like side. And then this is the road right here that goes down all the way to the main road right there. And then the blocks had to be unloaded there in the front because we have no room to put them here, and there's no need for them here because they're gonna go on that wall right there. So rather than bringing them here, then from here to there, from there to here, to here, to there, to there, to there, we actually left them in the front right there. And after this is all done, we're gonna take the extra rocks that are here and put them right there on that wall. So there you have it. So now I wanted to address the people that were worried about our wall or project or whatever. They call it a commercial. They said that basically we were building a Boeing facility. I mean, from the way they made it sound like, it was just like basically the neighborhood is going down. Like, that's it. Some guy moved into the neighborhood and he has 20 rocks, 20 retaining wall, rocks for the retaining wall in front of his in his yard, and enlighten us, let me know what's going on because I did not approve of it. Anyway, it's a waste of time. I'm not even on this level to compete and talk and try to prove a point to some neighbor that's worried about what it looks like for a week. Everybody here in the neighborhood has been able to build and to construct their things, to build a house. Someday it was built, it wasn't brought here. So it was under construction, and it was same thing as it is now. This is only a garage. It's not like I'm building 3 houses here. Even if I was, I do have a permit for the building, not for the wall, which is not required. But, anybody that is actually minding their own business, they wouldn't say that, because they know that this is a construction. This is not, I didn't put it on purpose in the front and kind of, left it there so to piss people off. I'm not the kind of person to do that. I want it to be cleaned up, no garbage, no nothing. Perfect yard. I love it. I love green grass. It's just right now I myself keep on moving things around because we have to work here and then we move there and then we have to move this dirt and then that. So it's just kind of frustrating for everyone, not just the neighbors. That's my least of my worries. But as I said before, we are under construction. We're doing things and we're gonna be doing it the right way. And I'm not gonna move things because somebody said something. I'm gonna finish it up, and you guys hopefully will enjoy the results. When you drive by, you'll be able to see it done and see what how hard work pays off. So on that note, we love everybody. We would like to, if I said something, to offend anybody, apologies for me, because I know it's not the right way to go about it. But like I said, everybody builds, everybody does things, everybody does landscaping, everybody plants trees. There's things around the house somewhere, and if I go to every house in the neighborhood, I will find something. Grass not cut or trees or whatever. I'm not the one to do it. I'm worried about my place. I stay to myself and keep to myself and try to improve this house, which is me and my family's place, where it's gonna be good, nice, and it's gonna represent. Believe it. So on that note, we're gonna leave you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget about the giveaway, and God bless you guys and all the neighbors. Thank you for watching.